Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll start by preparing your browser and account so files sync reliably. First, sign into Chrome with your Google account and enable sync. This ensures offline changes will upload later. Next, install the Google Docs offline extension if prompted so Sheets can run without internet. Once done, open Google Drive, right-click the spreadsheet or folder, and mark it available offline. This creates local copies that let you edit immediately and reduces conflicts when you reconnect. Now you'll continue by actively using the offline copy to edit. Open Chrome and navigate to Drive or Sheets. The files you marked offline appear with a check mark. You can edit cells, update formulas, add comments, or sort data exactly like online because Sheets caches functionality locally. Make sure to save regularly. Chrome saves automatically, but you can force an autosave by closing the tab. While offline, changes queue in the background. Once you reconnect, Google Sheets syncs your edits and resolves simple edits automatically. To finish, reconnect to the internet and let Google Sheets sync queued edits. You'll see a syncing indicator and then a confirmation. If you encounter conflicts because someone edited the same cells, Sheets shows both versions. Review them and choose the correct version or copy missing rows into the final file. If syncing fails, clear Chrome's cache or toggle the available offline setting for that file, then reopen Sheets. This forces a fresh local copy and typically resolves persistent sync errors.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.